Welcome back, everyone. It's great to see your smiling faces. My name's Victor Prasad. I'm a real estate broker here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral. And in today's video, we are taking a look back at the February 2022 Cape Coral market. Sales price average for Cape Coral is $505,434. New listings are 694. Pending sales, 857. Closed sales, 576. Days on market, 23. Month supply of homes is 1 month. Percent of list price sellers are receiving. 100% list price. Average price per square foot, $156 a square. Shows the pending, 13. This is an interesting statistic. Right now, properties that are priced within range of the buyer market are seeing an average of 72 hours on the market. What makes this interesting is that 13 showings or 72 hours, there should be multiple offers. And where there are multiple offers, you have to make a decision because the buyers are losing out on so many properties that they have short acceptance times on their contract before they have to move on. Overall outlook on the market is still exceptionally hot. Properties that are being listed are still receiving multiple offers. New construction is the driving force of new supply of inventory. The supply chain is still plagued with long delivery deadlines, and building new construction is taking approximately 1 year. Plus, the biggest challenge is block and trusses taking between 5 to 7 months in delivery. Getting into new construction comes with its own set of challenges you'll need to be ready for as well. All right, that's it for me. If you're thinking or even considering relocating to Southwest Florida, be sure to call, text, or email me. I'd love the opportunity to connect with you. And if you want to know more about working, living, playing here in Southwest Florida, then if you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell notification so you're kept up to date with the latest content. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, own more real estate.